like it's all we're going to need. And I don't need to get more because I don't need to. And this is his slime. It's so baby. It's his first ever slime, but it's so bad. My first ever slime was like spot on. Yo! And also I have a couple of shout outs that I will be doing at the end of the video. And because they've been begging me for months. Actually, they told me, but I decided I didn't want to do it yet. I wanted to do it on a special video. So here, I might have not done my intro. So let me do that again with that there. Hey guys, welcome back to a day of Simon. Today you're here with Haley, and let's just get on to the video. Yo! Okay, so you already know I just did my intro again because I forgot to do it, which is like the weirdest thing for me to say because I have a long-term memory. Screenshots. And also, I'm just wearing this tank top because I want to. I'm wearing pajama pants because I want to. That's not satisfying me. Okay, so I think I'm going to break it. Oh my god. This is such a bad slime. Especially for my brother's first, but, like, he doesn't even know what slime is, by the way. Okay, guys, I think this is broken. I just threw those away because I didn't need them. So this will keep it together, shaving cream. Me. This is probably going to have to. Because I ain't got activated right now. I didn't make any. And it cleans water. And there's not water in this room right now. Currently, I don't think so. Oh, there's cat water. Oh my gosh, my cat's right there. My gosh, guys, my hands! Okay, guys, my hands are just completely ruined. Wait. Yeah, some makeup. I don't want to get it in my hair. Oh, makeup. Yes! Okay, guys, I don't think I'm going to fix this. But I'll be right back. Be right back, actually. Hey guys, I'm back and I fixed the slime and I put it in this bag. I totally didn't just take it from my slime collection. Okay, you guys got it. I just took my slime collection over there. It's green. I'm just going to be doing slime ASMR, I guess. I don't know what this video is. I don't even know what to put as the title. I don't know. What shall I do? I don't know these. Da, 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 da. Okay, guys. So let's do random singing time because I'm going to mix some shaving cream into this. Okay. Favorite song? Probably I'd say Young Blood. I don't know. If you say your favorite song in the comments below, I will like your comment. At one point I will. Guys, I think I might have got some in my hair. Oh, I got slime in my hair. I guess I'm going to be having a bath tonight. I'm not saying I don't every day. It's just I take showers and showers doesn't get slime in my hair. Just saying. Hey, Jake, get out of my video. Get out of my slime area.
I am. Echo's there, not me.
I know Echo's here. You guys can't see me, can. But guys, look how good this slime is.
Oh, I found the box.
Can you be quiet? That box was always there. Jake, I'm trying to record a video, okay, dude? I don't have to raise my voice any higher than it is right now. Since I am feeling a little sick. Right, slime?
No, what?
Right, slime?
No wonder why you were staring at that shelf. You're staring at your iPad.
Jake, can you just leave? I don't know why.
I do something.
Okay, do you want to join this video?
Sure.
Okay, get in. Okay, so we're doing slime ASMR. Sorry, I'm not fixing
John
this.
Cena.
No, if you put John Cena one more time in my video, Did you just attack the cat?
No, I took it off.
Okay, Jake. Okay, so Jake, do you see my slimes over there?
Yeah.
Go pick one out. We're gonna do slimy slime. Oh, and by the way, you're not allowed to sit down. And I don't know why I have chairs. I don't even know why I have that chair there. Just we're not allowed to sit down.
What slime?
Jake, don't go. My beautiful face must be seen. Jake, you're putting on. Oh, and by the way, those are not slimes you're allowed to choose. Jake, you're not allowed to choose that slime. The bag's down there.
Okay. Oh, I like this. I like this purple one.
Mm-hmm. I don't like that.
You love this slime.
No, it dried out, okay?
Oh, that's why.
Jake, you're in the video. Okay.
I saw you. I don't know.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, this one's big.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to do slime ASMR for this one.
No,
Slime.
still.
Okay, move out of the way. Jake, sorry, just move. Okay, so I'm going to do slime ASMR. Be as quiet as you can be. Jake, be the quietest. Stop it. Okay, done. Put it back in its bag. I thought you were going to do bunny ears for me, but you didn't. I'm so happy. Okay, Jake, can I have this one? And now you're going to help. If you're doing bunny ears on me, I'm actually going to take away your jumpsuit now. On camera. It's a little dark as my friend.
No.
No dabs on my channel.
But you just did a dab.
Be quiet. Don't touch my shampoo.
Put your shampoo in a video of slime.
Because I want it to be.
Ow, my head.
Okay, go. That didn't even hurt. I just went pat, pat. Ew, you're trying to... His butt is touching my leg. It's so gross. Oh, by the way, just so you know, my brother got P-Star, which... Guys, headphone users, look away. Turn it down. Fortnite is the worst! Fortnite is the worst!
You're breaking my eyes, but
Yes, headphone users! Warning! Cold Granny's here!
make a video about playing Roblox. I'll watch it with you.
No, you won't, because I don't like because you're not my friend of Roblox.
Because I unfriended you. Because you said you unfriend me, so I did it for you.
I never said that.
Yes, you did.
I threw slime at you.
Something just fell on my leg. Fast.
So
Everybody should like a PlayStation 4. We're giving this away, so stay
no,
tuned.
we're not.
Just say no.
Guys, that's a box.
It's just a box.
It's a box with nothing in it.
If you want to bring your mom with it, you should say this and tell her, why did you take why do you have a PS4? But why did you give it away? Thanks a lot, even though I'm not going to do it.
What?
I'm not doing it.
Doing what?
This is bunny ears. That means turn around and kiss me. So I'm not
Wait,
doing
is that
it. How is that funny?
I
I'm like bad.
Okay. I don't know why.
If you're laughing, it's not very nice. Because that almost hit my pinky. So my pinky could break.
So?
So I have to go to the doctor. And you know I don't like the doctor.
Well, I cry at the doctor. Just saying.
You cry at the dentist because you don't want to go.
Well, I want to go, but I don't like it when I'm actually there. And, by the way, like, subscribe, and comment below. And like the video. Jake, turn the video off. Go hit the white thing on the screen.
Bye. This
Say,
is my
get it.
new
Say,
hand.
turn it off. Turn
I
it
got a
off.
new hand.